वो गाना एक्टर का स्टार, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी, वही रीजन जिसके लिए आधी कर दी मैंने अपनी जवानी। वो 3 घंटों में लिपटी कई कहानियां, कई जिंदगानी। अगर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कहीं जन्नत है तो वो यही है, यही है, यही है। आप बाबा बोल सकते हैं आप। Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 16th annual Videocon D2H IFA Weekend and S Plus IFA Awards Press Conference. Welcome to this wonderful evening, another year where we celebrate what is of course been prepared for you. But I would like to begin the session by welcoming the esteemed members of the media. Good evening, members of the media. Give yourselves a big hand. Thank you, Poonam, again. Also, I would like to thank the sponsors because they're key in making the IFA dream a success year after year. Videocon, Hero Cycles, now your hands come here. Thank you, Shahid. I know, we will. Mr. Kapoor. Oh, and there's Hrithik Roshan in the audience, even as we speak. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand while your cameras come up as well. And as I speak and I'm counting down, we have Arjun Kapoor entering the hall. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand Arjun. Hey, good evening. What's up? And Sonakshi Sinha, the gorgeous. Hi, Sonakshi. Good evening. And the man who drinks from the fountain of youth, Mr. Anil Kapoor himself. Give him a big hand. All right, I just gave all of you a wonderfully warm welcome. I will repeat myself a little later, not now, but thank you everybody for being here. It's going to be a wonderful evening and a wonderful weekend next weekend. I would like to begin with, before this excitement gets the better.
Good afternoon. It's an honor to be here. Thank you so much. The media, Hamare Mai Baap, thank you very much for being here in such large numbers, and all the sponsors. There are a few things I'm very, very excited about this IFA. There are a lot of firsts happening, where so that will really I'm usually very, very excited, but this time dialogue was very excited. Most important is there are two of the people whom I really admire, respect, and who have taken whatever they have done to international level, and who are hugely admired and respected by the entire film fraternity also for what they have done. I'm very excited that friends, ladies and gentlemen, there are few of the actors over here, and I'm really huge fan of all of them sitting over here, and I'm admired, and I can see that they're ruling, they're going to rule forever and ever. There's Shahid Kapoor, there is of course Mr. Hrithik, whom I have always been a great fan, and I told him when I saw him, I said, "Tu 1-2 saal nahi, 30-40 saal tak you'll be the top star." I don't know if you remember that. And of course, Arjun has taken me by surprise. Yeah, absolutely. I never expected him. Seriously, I'm telling you, Arjun. Whenever I meet you, whenever I interact with you, you're terrific. Absolutely fantastic. The way you speak, this is just the beginning. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You're going to be huge. I promise you. You're going to be huge. And of course, Sonakshi. क्या famous? Jackass से ज़्यादा popular कौन सा है? Khamosh. There's only one dialogue which is much more popular than Jackass, and that is Khamosh. And of course, same thing, यार. खून तो एक ही है ना. Legacy. हाँ, ऊपर से डलता है. So I'm so happy all of you are coming for this IFA. It's going to be, really exciting. I'm really excited and looking forward to all your performances, and as I look forward to all your films, Shahid. God has given us so much. It has given us so much, and that's what we should do every time we are on stage or we are in front of the camera. Do our best and entertain everybody. And what better platform than the IFA platform? It's world class. You know, I have traveled all over the world. I have witnessed a lot of awards, walked a lot of red carpets, but IFA is the best. The IFA weekend, it's a unique combination of awards, fashion shows, and serious conversation and workshops. You name it, and business, you know, everything. It came on the press conference. My instinct says, and my instinct is always right. And it's my gut level that this is going to be the best IFA. And of course, Dil Dhadak Mein Do screening premiere will happen over here. थोड़ा बहुत promotion तो बनता है. थोड़ा promotion तो बनता है. Am I right or wrong? वो तो हम लोग अपनी 200%. So there's going to be a screening of Dil Dhadak Mein Do, and which is I think we all are looking forward to. I am looking forward to. I am very anxious, very nervous, and of course now I have been given this honor to invite my dearest friend, Mr. Raj Nayak. Welcome, Mr. Raj Nayak. Please come on stage, sir.
You just heard Arjun and Ranveer saying they're gonna redeem all their sins in IFA. I don't think you can get a better platform to redeem your sins. Big hand to Anil Kapoor, I mean the youngest man. He mentioned that Hrithik will do 40 years, and I think Anil has already done 40 years in Indian cinema and still going strong. I'm not going to speak too much. Suffice to say that at Colors, anything and everything that we do, we try to do it with a lot of passion, and we try to scale up things, try to do it in a different way, and hopefully in true Color style we'll give you a great entertaining event this year. IFA, I think, and I believe, is probably the world's largest Bollywood event. And there are only 3 reasons people don't go to IFA. One is because if they are shooting or they've got some commitments which they can't get out of. 2 is if hotels are not available and airline tickets are not available, which I am told is the case right now. We are having huge logistic problems in flying a lot of people, and I know people are going via Dubai and Singapore and Delhi to reach IFA. And 3rd is if you're not invited. I'll show you another promo. I mean, that will give you a glimpse of what is going to come and how different IFA is going to be this year. Before I get off the stage, I just want to invite everybody, all of you, to come to Malaysia and experience our hospitality. Shahid, Hrithik, Arjun, Anil, Sonakshi, and my friends Sabas, Andre and Viraf, thank you very much, and hopefully we'll deliver a great event this year.
Malaysia is what we are going to say when we get to Malaysia. I started practicing. करना पड़ता है boss. पहली बार लाइफ में इतना बड़ा मौका मिला है. And after the way Anil Chachu's hosted the last 3 minutes, he's done what we might not be able to do in 3 hours, is entertain you, excite you, encourage you, motivate you, and make you realize what potentially IFA is all about, and the coming together of Colors along with Wishcraft and all the sponsors and everybody affiliated with this fantastic showcasing of our film industry. What Anil Chachu said, we are all entertainers in our own way. We try and entertain. मेरी IFA के साथ काफ़ी सारी memories है एक्टर बनने के पहले की थी. I'm getting a chance to host with my Baba रणवीर सिंह. इज्जत का फालूदा तो हम वैसे ही कर चुके हैं काफ़ी बार, तो इस बार कुछ बड़ा करेंगे, होपफुली नाम रोशन करेंगे हिंदुस्तान का. But it's been fantastic to be able to be part of IFA on so many occasions, and I've enjoyed it. मेरा पहला आखिरी and one and only Baba. But I thought I'll invite all my fellow actors on stage, and we'll do a bit of question answer session rather than me talking unnecessarily.
Done. Who are we starting with?
Who would you like to start with?
Well,
मेरे क्यू कार्ड्स के हिसाब से मुझे जाना चाहिए, just to make sure कि मैं ज़्यादा ना फफलाऊं. इसीलिए टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर बहुत पसंद है.
That's what Baba would do.
So, Let's start with somebody who I've grown up admiring. I've agreed that I have a man crush on this person, and he has made Hindustan ki film industry so Roshan. Hrithik Roshan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Very happy to be here. It's an honor. It's IFA time again, and we are already rocking, as you can see. That's a good start. Very happy to be here. My love for IFA has been expressed by me many a times. I love you, IFA. I love all the people behind the IFA, Andre, the entire team, all the people who are associated with IFA this time. Congratulations. We are going to have a ball. IFA really is something big. Ask me some questions.
आप अच्छा flow में जा रहे हो, जाइए.
नहीं, तो पूछ लेने.
नहीं,
Our fans and all the people that we get to meet, in such far across places, and it reminds me that it's such a wonderful world that even though they are so far apart, they are able to connect and touch my heart, my soul, and this would not be possible, if IFA didn't exist. So thank you, IFA, for connecting the world, making the world, a more beautiful place, more connected place, doing that, contributing that to our cinema. I think that's. Apart from that, I have a lot of other moments also. But I think the bond that I share with IFA, I think, starts because I think we both were born. Both were born in the same year. We were both born in 2000. Cinematically, we are the same age. We are what? 15 years old now. So we are like. Don't say such things in front of Anil. I used to say uncle, but I can't say uncle anymore.
Just imagine.
मतलब के it is not allowed. मतलब 20 साल से जो इंसान, I look up to him, say uncle, I've learned from him. One day I looked at him, I can't call him uncle, man. And he told me that I will last for 40 years. I'm 40 years old now. He looks 39. I'm confused. कि ये क्या हो रहा है? ये कैसे हो रहा है?
Just so you feel better, he calls me Arjun Chachu. That should put into perspective. Just say it again so people know that you actually call me that. What do you call me at home? See, he calls me Chachu, so you can imagine he's aging badly.
He just wants you to go to the gym a bit.
Yeah, that's it.
No, as I was saying, IFA and I are the same age. We are 15 years old now. So we're like into our teens now. We're teenagers. And we all know what teens think about all day. Not that shy, you corrupted mind. We think about having a good time, and that's what we're going to have in Malaysia. We're going to have the best time ever. I mean, last year was passe, man. We were 14 years old last year. This year we are 15, man. We're going to have a rocking time, right?
आपका आशीर्वाद dedication, regardless of age, regardless of what he's achieved, he
I
still
think
is like
we should
a
all
child.
be around him now.
Yeah.
Like this.
But I
Him
swear,
plus.
he's like
How?
he's like a child. Yeah.
How is it possible? Are you a man or machine? Prove it now.
The
Take your clothes off.
case of Anil
Take your
Kapoor.
clothes off. Prove it. Man or machine?
Sir, one more.
Ladies and gentlemen, Anil Kapoor. Oh my God.
I'm very, very excited to be part of IFA, to get a chance to host it with Ranveer, somebody I really enjoy working with, and to be able to entertain people. आखिर एक एक्टर का काम होता है लोगों को अलग-अलग तरीके से एंटरटेन करना, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इस बार होस्ट करके लोगों को एंटरटेन कर पाएंगे हम लोग. I think at the end of the day, if you try and underline it, then it seems like you're preaching. जो fact है वो fact है. I think equality is something that's always existed in society. It's coming to the forefront through cinema now, and that's amazing. As long as films are being made well and they're doing well, it doesn't matter अगर hero की हो या heroine को, picture सबकी होती है. So I'm really happy that films like Allu Arjun, Manu, Piku, Highway, Mary Kom, all of them well, which have had very strong female protagonist characters. I think more than female oriented, they've had very good characters, and that's the important part. We also take back the characters have been really good. It's not just designed for a heroine or a hero. ये आखिरी क्वेश्चन फिर मुझे भागना है. I
I genuinely would like to say it's a dream to be able to stand today on this podium with all the athletes that I was. I've grown up watching all of them. Whether it's Ritik, whether it's even Shahid, मैं assistant था when he became an actor. So it feels really amazing कि हम अपनी country के entertainment industry को represent करते हैं और obviously we all love people who work in Hollywood, so that would be great. But I feel equally proud and equally honored to be sharing the stage with all the fantastic personalities that I'll get a chance to. Thank you so much.